Hello student, today we are going to learn what are angles. So the way we make this angle, inside this where the two arms are together and this is a point, then this is called a angle and this point is called vertex, right? So the inclinations between the two rays, when the two rays are joined together, is called angle. Underline this is a definition, right? And what is angle and what is the vertex? The common point at which the line intersects is called vertex. So I explain you what is angle and what is ray. Now if the two rays 1 and 2, if this 2 be together, then this is called angle. This way here, this is called angle, and this point where these two interact is called vertex. Fine. So this is your angle and this is your vertex. This is the definition. Underline. The common point at which the line intersects is called vertex. This is the common point where this both ray intersect is called vertex. While the rays are called, these rays are called the arms of the angles. तो हम इसको क्या बोलेंगे? What we say this is called the arms. These are called arms, right? Now the above figure is named as, how the figure is named as AOB. So we can name it. How we can name it? We can name this A. ये जो common angle है इसको O और this को B. So we can say, how we will write angle. This is a sign of angle. What is the name? A. इसको बीच में रखने का. So AOB. Vertex will come in middle. So AOB. So we will call it as an angle AOB. Getting? The above figure is called name as AO or angle AOB. The vertex is always in the middle. Getting? And the unit of measuring that is called degree. So in degree we will write like this way. So if we say that it is 90 degree, if it is right angle, then we will say 90 degree. If it is 60, then we will say it is 60 degree. So this is the symbol of degree. Okay, now measuring the angle. The correct way to draw and measure the angle is always by a special instrument called a protractor. So when we are measuring the angle, we use this instrument called protractor. Without protractor, it is not possible to do the angles. Right now, the total number of degree is half the circle of protractor is called 180. We know that the circle is of 360. Circle is of 360 and our protractor is of 180. Our protractor becomes what? 180. Can you see here? Here is 180. This is 90 degree. Right? In this way, 90, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. And if we go from this way, then we can say 100, 110, 120, 30, 40, 50, 160, 170 and 180. So in both the side you can measure. So this is your protractor. Now let's see how to use the protractor. The protractor has the 2 degree mark along its curved edges. This is the curved edges, right? And 0 is marked on the left. Where the 0 is marked? 0 is marked on the left. Here you can see. And the row on the inside of zeros marked on the right. There are 2 rows so that you can measure the angle intercepting irrespective of which side it is open. So the measure of this angle is, we all know that the measure of the angle is always 180 because the protractor is also of 180. So measure of any angle will be 180. Now here we can see one example. They have done with measurement of 60 angle. So take your protractor, put it here. Say I am putting here. Right? After putting, you can see it is of angle 60. See here. Getting? So this is your angle 60. So this is the angle of 60. Here you can see. See, I am pointing my ball pen. See, this is the 60 angle. So keep your protector at the perfect position. This is the starting from where, and whatever the angle you want to do. Now we will learn a kind of angles. How many kinds of angles are there? This is important. Zero angle. The angle that is measured zero is called zero angle. Underline this. This is the definition of zero angle. The angle that is measured as zero is called zero angle. Now what is right angle? The shape of an angle that is formed as a square is a right angle. The measure of right angle is 90 degree, which is shown as a special square symbol. So if this square symbol is given and these angles are straight on the upside and the downside, then we can say this is a 90 angle. I will show you. Straight, this and this, this and this, and here the square symbol is given and you can put 90 degree. Otherwise take your protector, right, and you can mark it from here 90, right. So this becomes your straight, and draw one line, right. So this becomes your 90 angle. 90 angle is your right angle. Now we go for acute angle. Angle that is greater than 0, जो 0 से ज़्यादा है, and less than 90. How we will make acute angle? One who are less than 90, then they are called acute angle. So the angle that are less than 90 or right angle is known as acute angle. This is the acute angle. You can put your compass and you can check. Keep your compass here. See. Now you can measure the angle, right, in this way. Keep your point and you can see. So you can measure the angle. Now what is obtuse angle? An angle that is greater than 90 and but less than 180, then it is called an obtuse angle. So this is an obtuse angle. So one who are more than 90, जो 90 से ज़्यादा है, then it becomes obtuse angle. Now we talk about a straight angle. Angle that lies on a straight line and the measure is 180, then it is known as straight angle. This is your straight angle, right, whose measure is 180, then we can call a straight angle. An angle that is greater than 180 but less than 360, then it is known as reflex angle. देखो तो ये angle क्या है? देखो, this curve you can see. This is more than 180. So this is more than your 180. But it is less than 360. Then this type of angles are called reflex angle. Now what is whole angle? An angle that is 360 is known as whole angle, and it is formed with the two arm complete a whole rotation to meet again. So whole circle, if you make it a one point, then it is called your whole angle. So this we have discussed the kind of angles, right? Zero angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, whole angle, right? Now we will see right angle, acute angle and obtuse angle with the help of a clock. Here you can see when it is 3 o'clock, it is your right angle. When it is less than, or there is more than 3, then it is your acute angle. And if this, then it is called an obtuse angle. Now, if it is a 6 o'clock in your clock, then it is a straight angle. If it is 7:15, then we can say this angle, the angle that is formed is called reflex angle. And if it is on a 12 o'clock in your clock, then we can say it is a whole angle. So we have discussed the kind of angles and the type of straight angle, reflex angle and whole angle in your clock. So dear children, please write it down, these definitions: the right angle, zero angle, straight angle, obtuse angle, reflex angle with the angle in your notebook. Thank you children.